Ladies and gentlemen, we have the owner of Tigers of Kolkata, Mr. Saif Ali Khan, and Mrs. Aksha Kamboj.
Yes, good afternoon. Namaskar. Hello.
Any questions?
Yes, 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 I have. Sir, congratulations, Seth, sir, first of all, and you look handsome, and ma'am, you look so pretty. So, yes, sir, Tigers of Kolkata, many congratulations on that. Season 3 it is. And I really wanted to know how this works, the equation, the dynamics between the Bollywood, Hindi film industry, and of course, when you talk about cricket, how does sports and Bollywood are inseparable bond? What do you think of it?
I think you have to ask my mother more than me.
Yes, sir.
But
It runs in the
I think
genes.
cricket and, of course, cricket and movies and Bollywood and entertainment, these are the, I mean, many other sports are coming up and they should come up and it's fantastic. But somehow cricket and Bollywood has had a connection.
Correct.
But, so what is your question on that?
So how does the dynamic work? I mean, it runs
But
like...
that is, I don't know, somehow we are connected to this because we thought ISPL is a lovely, lovely idea.
Yes, sir.
Cricket starts in our country on, everybody's played gully cricket, at least all of us have played. I'm sure all the cricketers in our national team have started playing like that at home.
Yes, sir.
And tennis ball cricket is it's a really good way to learn how to play. And I think we will discover some fantastic young talent. And if tomorrow, like, we discovered a talent that went on to bowl at the Kolkata Knight Riders in the IPL, if we put a spotlight on young people and, it's very exciting to discover that.
Correct.
And I hope that we discover players who can go on to play more serious cricket.
So.
Because there must be so much talent in our country that is not discovered. And this is one way of putting a spotlight on it, right, ma'am?
Would love it.
Sir, was the inspiration to own the Kolkata team because of Shah Rukh?
I think Mr. Khan is an amazing, astute businessman, and his interest in the IPL is an incredible thing. What he's done, and I'm sure somewhere everyone is woken up to the possibilities of investment in sports teams as a kind of result. But no, I think this is also just a good idea that came to us, and I wouldn't say it's inspired from that, but I think any cricket business idea would somewhere have to remember that also. No? Yeah, please would you react? I see the connection between Kolkata and Kolkata. No, please.
Yeah.
Would you?
So basically, it works because his dad, he's played cricket, as we all know, and his mom's from Calcutta. I mean, what better way to? That's the best city that suits him.
There you go.
Sir, over here.
His dad, the legend, Tigers of Kolkata, guys. Math.
Sir, question to you, sir. Sir, your cricket is in your blood.
Yes.
How you look at this gully cricket? Because just now you told about gully cricket. So how you look at gully cricket? Because cricket is again is a religion
I tell you,
in
I
India.
mean, we've had 2 generations of captains of India in my family, and I've seen them play, and it's tennis ball cricket, and it's kind of gully cricket playing, with that ball, and sometimes you put tape on it for swing. And my father would always say, if you want to learn how to catch properly, you should learn how to catch with a tennis ball, because the ball bounces out of your hand if you don't catch it properly and give with it properly. So it's a wonderful training, and it's a great background for all cricket. And I think, like you have street football for example, in one of the cities, in South America, for example, and that's what leads to such a strong national team. So I think gully cricket is one of the reasons why we're so good at cricket, because every single boy grows up playing like that. And girl, sorry, every single person.
Sir, you've been in a totally different world itself. So have you played gully cricket anytime?
Yes, of course. We played all kinds of cricket. We played at home, in corridors and things like this. And also in Bombay, when I first moved to Bombay in Lokhandwala, we would play outside on the road and interrupt traffic a little bit. But we used to play with all the boys living in the area would join in, and it's a very strong community thing in Bombay growing up, or in Mumbai growing up. Sorry. Yeah, so I have played.
सैफ सर, अभी आपने अपने पिताजी की बात की, तो
जी।
क्या कोई उनकी ऐसी एडवाइस या थॉट है जो आज भी आपकी ज़िंदगी में काम आती है? अगर मैं क्रिकेट की बात करूं, कोई ऐसी एडवाइस जो आपको उन्होंने दी हो?
हाँ, ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं अभी,
कोई आप शेयर कर पाएँ?
I think one of the things he taught me was make sure you treat everybody equally. That's just the first thing I could think of.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
That was a
Sir,
very,
one
very
last
big
question. Sir, sorry, Sir, what about your children? Of course, father से लेके generation अभी आपके बच्चों के, what are your thoughts on it? Is Bollywood taking the lead, or they're going to be in cricket because you have two boys again? The other children,
As
Jay
my-
and Taimur.
As my co-owner knows, I think our job as parents is to support ma'am and
Yes.
to try and make, as long as they're happy and they're hardworking, I mean, whatever job that they're lucky enough to get, we try and educate them, try and teach them good values. The most important thing is to be a good human being. And then after that, whatever they like, there's no pressure
Lovely.
from us.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.